Hello dear friends, a very good day to all of you. And today's recipe is the most popular dip, hummus. But we are going to make it with a little twist. We are making roasted red bell pepper hummus. Now this roasted bell pepper really adds a lovely smoky flavor to this dip. You can enjoy it as always with pita bread and make it in your parties for a change when you're tired of making the same plain hummus. So let's get started and make this flavorful dip. First, let us roast the bell peppers or capsicums. I've taken 2 of them as I'm using 2 cups of boiled chana or chickpeas. Place them this way on the metal mesh if you have one, or you can even put them directly on the gas flame. Flip them from time to time and roast them. Look at this, lovely. The roasted bell peppers have a very unique flavor. They make the hummus so flavorful and delicious with all this smoky flavor infused into it. You can also use a satay stick to make your work easier. Lovely. Now switch off the gas and let them cool. After cooling, we'll peel off the charred skin, outer skin. Now this is done. Wash the bell peppers directly under running water so that all the black particles are removed and washed away. Look at this. They are very clean now, but the smoky flavor is still intact. Now cut them into pieces and remove the seeds. Discard all the white portion and cut them into pieces. You can save some for garnishing. Chop them into very small pieces, and for garnishing we'll cut into thin long strips. Now put the boiled chickpeas into the grinder jar. I've boiled them with adding salt until they are nice and soft. Now dip in the roasted and chopped bell pepper. One tablespoon of crushed garlic. 2 teaspoons of tahini paste. This is homemade tahini paste. I have already shared the video. I'll share the link with all of you. You can check it out. Homemade is always the best. Plus you can make little quantity. When you get an entire jar, you don't use it often and it remains in the refrigerator for a long time. Little bit of salt, as chana already is boiled with salt. Juice of 1 lemon. Now close the lid and blend the ingredients to a smooth paste. Open the lid and check it out. So nice and smooth. Perfect. At this stage, you can add 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Blend it a bit so that the oil gets mixed into the hummus very well. Perfect. Such yummy, delicious hummus with smoky flavor is ready. Just check the salt and adjust if required. Now transfer the hummus into a deeper plate. Garnish it with some boiled chickpeas. Place them in the middle. Add some chili flakes. Those who like spicy flavor can have these chili flakes. You can also put chili oil instead. Now garnish the platter with bell pepper strips. There are many ways you can garnish it just to make it look presentable. Finally, drizzle some more olive oil on top. Serve it with some toasted pita bread. This dip is the most popular one. Everyone loves it. So this is perfect to make in your party when you're entertaining. Lovely. So make and enjoy this variation of hummus with roasted bell peppers. I've made some other flavors also earlier. You can check them out. The links will be shared in the description box. Thank you for watching and check out these videos from the archives. Stay tuned and happy cooking.